Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take off Tesla Model 3 wheel covers. First, gather your tools. You'll need a soft cloth, like a microfiber towel, and a non-marring plastic pry tool. Make sure your Tesla is parked on a flat, stable surface with the parking brake engaged. This ensures your safety and prevents the car from rolling. Familiarize yourself with the Aero wheel covers design. They simply snap onto the wheel. Now, let's prepare for removal. Look closely at the edge of your Tesla Model 3 Aero wheel cover. You'll find a small, subtle notch or indentation. This is your starting point. Carefully insert the tip of your plastic pry tool into this notch. Be gentle to avoid scratching the wheel or the cover itself. The goal is to create a small gap without forcing anything. With the pry tool in place, begin to work your way around the wheel cover. Apply gentle, consistent pressure, moving the tool along the edge. You'll hear a series of soft clicks as the clips release from the wheel. This indicates you're doing it correctly. Once all the clips are disengaged, the cover will feel loose. Then, simply pull the entire cover straight off the wheel. To reinstall your Aero wheel cover, first align it correctly with the wheel, ensuring the valve stem lines up with its designated opening. Then, starting from the center, apply firm, even pressure around the entire edge of the cover. You should hear satisfying clicks as each clip re-engages. Double-check that it's securely fastened all the way around. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers. It's a simple process once you get the hang of it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.